Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am here to do an unboxing of the first installment of the Ultimate Christmas Companion boxes from Crafter's Compendium. So, they had the big old 3-tiered Christmas box, which I will try to leave a link to my unboxing below in the description box, so definitely go check that out. And with that was an auto ship. So every few months you're supposed to get another box, not the 3-tiered box, but one box like the subscription boxes. So I'm going to show you the first one. The first one is this one, and it is, as you can see, says the Ultimate Christmas Crafter's Companion, and it's the layering techniques. So supposedly in here there are 24 papers, 24 colored papers, 12 card blanks, 12 envelopes, stencils and templates, and then metal stamps and metal dies, I should say, for a butterfly, a flower, an edgeable, and nesting frames. And then there are clear stamps to build a bouquet and build a cake. It says there's over 125 elements, and they have done it similar to their regular subscription boxes, except this one, let's see if I can get the little sleeve off here, is actually more like a drawer. So you have this, the purple as usual. Let me see if I can raise you up a little bit without showing you all the mess on my desk. Because there's always mess, right? So it is a drawer. Boo, boo, boo. So let's see if we can get this little piece off here so we can open it up and show you what's in it. What is in this box? We want to know. We want to. Okay, you know what? I was just going to try to be good and save this, but we don't care. It's just a sticker. And 9 times out of 10, I'll end up throwing this box away anyway. Because, you know, you can only have so many boxes. They take up so much room. And I'm trying to get rid of things. So, look. You got this little pulley here. I think it's trying to be like Anna Griffin. Let's see if we can get it open. It's quite puffy. Stiffy in here. So, there we go. So, now that we've got the lid off, let's check out what's inside. So, you have a thank you note. And this is the Ultimate Christmas Compendium. So that's interesting. You've got the requisite papers. And then we'll go through the easy, simple stuff. So, as always, there's always some envelopes. And it looks like they've given us 2 sizes. And, of course, there are the blank cards. So, yes, there's 2 sizes. Looks like a 5x5 or a 6x6. And then your pieces there. So then, let's go ahead and move this over a little bit. Shall we go with the papers? Let's go with the papers. Let's go with the papers, shall we? Shall we? Okay, so crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Crinkle, crinkle, little star. So you get plain paper for your backgrounds. I love peach. Sort of like a grayish kind of color. Your tealies. There's a green, a grayish, and then like an olive color. So those are your regular papers. And so, yeah, it pretty much is like the subscription box, except you actually get fewer items in here, it seems, when you do the subscription box. And it's the same price. Alright, so then you have your pattern papers. I think you get 2 or 3 a piece. 3. So you have this color. I love this little olivey green color. So you can see that pattern. Pattern. And then you've got this one. There's this one. That's not very thrilling. Oh, I do like this one. It's almost kind of Christmassy. I've got it like a poinsettia feel to it. Poinsettia. Oh, and then they give it to you in a lighter color. That's fun. And it's the same quality, like weight as their paper in the subscription boxes. Then you have this one. And this is cute. That's a cute little print. And I think that's the last pattern. Yes. So those are the papers. They're cute. I'm not going to worry about putting them back in the plastic bag. I'm just going to toss that in the trash can. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Then we have stumps and doors. So let's look at the stumps. The stumps. So let's see. Do I have a piece of paper? Let's see. Let's look at this little piece of paper here. So on this one, it's apparently layered cake. So here's the bottom of the cake and then the top. Excuse me, my throat is all jacked up. And then over here is another size. So this must be like some kind of filling or something. And then you have these little, I don't know if those are supposed to be decorations on top, maybe. Like cupcake puffs or something, I don't know. And then you have some cherries here, cherries there. Maybe these are decorations for the cake as well. And you've got happy birthday, congrats, make a wish, and happy cake day, which is any day that you want cake. All right, let's look at this one. And this is what I was interested to see as was this little set here, to see if it was a complete tea set or something like that. So that's cute. You've got these little flowers and stuff. And I'm hoping there's dies to cut it out, because you know I hate fussy cutting when it comes to having to fussy cut. So then we have stencils. So these are layering stencils. I would imagine that that's what they are. So you've got this one that says, "You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray." All right, then you have these two, and I'm wondering, I'm trying to see if they have any. Yeah, so this is the back one, and then this is the one that goes over it. So then you'd have a lighter background and some flowers there. So that's kind of interesting. All right, now let's see. There is a die pack, so let's see what's going on with this die pack. Let's see if we can see. So first, there is this set of frames. And I do like that little scallopy edge they've got going on there. And it's relatively small in comparison. So what does it say? I was trying to see if it gave us some measurements. I don't see any measurements. So it's roughly maybe 3.5, maybe 3 inches at the biggest one. So there's that one. Then you have this butterfly. So you layer up the butterfly. And I am a little disappointed. None of those stamp things have dies to cut out. And here's this layering edgeable, which is kind of interesting because they had some other layerable edgeables that I was looking at, but I didn't really want to pay for it. So this is interesting to have one to play with, and it's a cute design. Yes, I am disappointed that these other ones do not have dies to cut them out. Oh, I guess we'll have to try to get the scan and cut working. And then we have this one. Now, this is cute. I do like this. And this reminds me of the double-sided dies, although it is not double-sided, I want to say. I don't think it is. But we shall open this one and find out. But I do like the flower. So let's see. I think it's just a regular die. Yeah, it's just a regular die. Because if it were a double one, it would have something on the back. So it's just a regular layering die. And I like the size of it. That's pretty cool. So I do like that. All right, so those are the pieces in this set. Now, do I like it or not? I do like the main die. I just wish they had put in dies for the stamps. So you have this cake and you have this stuff layered up, but there's no die to cut it out once you have it layered. So that's just what that box looks like. So that is your peek at this, and you can decide whether you like it or not. And then it's supposed to only be auto ship, but they have a way of coming out with them anyway. So we shall see. You might be able to purchase it at some point individually. So there's the cover again. The Ultimate Christmas Compendium layering one. All right, thanks for watching, and I will be back with another video. You guys have a good evening or day, whatever time it is with you, and be safe out there.